so pumped, y'all. You have no idea. What a phenomenal truck. Probably our last Gen 2 lot black Raptor build ever. So this one's got to be special, and it most certainly is. We feel like telling you guys we're trying our best to change the game when it comes to the mentality and thought process of what you can purchase at a dealership across the country, but a special place right here at Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia, and Willies Custom Accessories, offering phenomenal builds through and through. So our INDORAPTOR package has really taken off in the past couple of years, and this being our last black Gen 2 for the lot here, we had to do something special. Now, we probably could have sold this thing 10 times in the stock form, and we probably could have sold it 5 times if we were doing an all black package. And I told the customers, hey, we're doing a blue accent on our gate black package, and they're like, I'm not sure about the blue. Showed them the candy red that we did as well, that was very similar to this one, but just said hang tight for this blue. Once you see it, you'll get it. And here we go. So I'm so excited to bring you guys the full in-depth review today of our custom one-off signature one-of-one Velocity Blue and the Gate Black INDORAPTOR. Right here at your source for everything auto, Akins Ford and Willies Custom Accessories. So please stick around and let's get after it. So you know the black Raptors do so well, whatever you do to them, but we wanted to do something special with this one, and the Velocity Blue works so well on many accents. So what we did up front is very similar to what you see on our INDORAPTOR packages, but this one's a little bit different, a little more attention to detail involved in this one. So a lot of vehicles we use the Tough Skins graphic up front, a vinyl graphic, or we use Rocky Mountain graphics for it as well. This is a true custom painted pinstripe, so there's no lines, ridges whatsoever. Definitely been cleared over top of that. Just a phenomenal right way to do things. For sure. So of course you can tell up front, here's a good before picture of the Raptor up front in the stock form. We think it looks so much better removing that gray in the grille and your gray bumpers as well, front and rear. And then look at those tow hooks in Velocity Blue. This is the actual Velocity Blue paint code that you see on the Ford F-150 trucks. Right there, exact same paint found right here on an INDORAPTOR, and look how great it looks. So also up in the headlights, a very subtle but worthy upgrade. We painted the inside bezel of your high beam and low beam Velocity Blue, and then your side marker there and bottom Velocity Blue also. Just a killer attribute. Now down below, we have to, we love them, run the rigid LED fog kit. You got your SAE DOT approved street legal one there on aux switch 1, and you've got floodlight and spotlight. So you got different lighting capabilities for whatever terrain you're conquering or going over. I use all 3 of mine, even on the back road sometimes if there's deer I know in the area. So just a great benefit to have some more lighting, and that is a very fitting area to put some additional LED lights to improve your safety, comfort, and nighttime visibility. What a Raptor, y'all. Please tell me in the comments that you like or dislike this, or that you just check this video out. We much appreciate that. We put a lot into this build. It took probably about a month for it to come all together, but we're so happy with it, and I hope you guys are enjoying it too. So this is the fuel covert wheel in 20x10, -18, and obviously you may know that they don't come with a Velocity Blue wheel in this particular wheel. So they have bronze, gold, and black. We took the black one and did the custom Velocity Blue paint, even on the fuel logo in the center. Flawless and amazing there. Love that. And then you probably have noticed we got some rigid rock lights. We've got one under each wheel well, really just to set it off. And then to cap it off, inside the gills here, we incorporated 2 additional lights inside the fin. So at nighttime, this is going to pop. Oh my gosh. Going to be so amazing. I can't wait to see it when it gets dark here in a little bit, y'all. Now these side gills, as I like to call it, these are kind of a pesky texture black as well. We removed the texture, glossed it, and Velocity Blue custom pinstriping on both sides. Just looks so absolutely amazing to me. Hope you guys think so as well. So obviously you can tell this level, we did a Icon level kit at the 2 1/4 inch mark, and then we did a block swap in the rear. Love that. We've got Fox live valve shocks. I want to show you the level kit. It's that slip collar right there, and it's adjustable from a 1/2 inch all the way to 2 1/4. We know that the 2 1/4 is the perfect true money setup, especially for this tire size, and we feel like that we know that this Icon kit is the best level kit to keep things in that progressive range to get the most benefit and factory like ride that you're supposed to get out of these Fox shocks. So that's a killer statement there, and ride quality is a premium. I do not have that kit on mine. The Ready Lift kit I have is that top spacer, and it still does a great job for me, but you can tell some subtle differences in this one maybe being a potential smoother ride quality in general. Now we're 325 60/20 on our Nitto Trail Grappler. Now this is a 34 or 35.4 inch tall tire by 12.8, so it's wider than a 12.5 wide, and it's taller than a 35. So we felt like that we wanted it to go slightly bigger than the 35. So this is a great tire size. If you're looking for something that's slightly more substantial than a 35 12.5 20, go with this 325/60. And the Nitto Trail Grappler, so notoriously known for being just a phenomenal tire all the way around. Ride quality, longevity, and performance off-road is great. So we're leveled on 35.5, as I like to call it. Now out back, y'all. This is where it's getting hot. I mean, it's getting real when it comes back here, I'm telling you. So look at that booty. Oh my gosh. So we removed the texture. We've done a few like this, but here recently we've done quite more, and for good reason. It just looks so great. All this texture we took and removed, and then did a gate black on there, and then again, look, no ridges, nothing. It's all custom painted. Look at that. That Velocity blue just pops. And then we painted the tow hooks in the rear as well. Now these tow hooks are not removable, so we have to take off the whole rear hitch assembly to access that, to prep and paint those tow hooks to match. Now a mile to wild scale, here that -18 comes into play in that 12.8 wide, so we're sticking out a good 2.5 inches or so, and then so by doing that, it just has that more aggressive, strong, substantial Raptor stance that we're looking for. And you can tell up front right here especially, and then this shot, just a wide, beast looking Raptor. Now on the inside, we didn't do anything to the inside. Raptors don't need a lot, y'all. What we could have done, or what could be added potentially, is remove texture off of, I just don't like these. It just doesn't fit this nice of a vehicle. They're throughout the whole vehicle. We could do that black or do it Velocity if you really wanted it to pop. We just didn't necessarily know which way to go with this, so we said let's just keep it the way it is for now and rock on with it. Then on the inside, it's 802A, so you got great convenience features and safety features, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, heated steering wheel. You got your different drive modes that the Raptors come with, which are great to use, the sport mode especially. Class leading second row leg room, etc. On and on. Now this Raptor is not for someone that's going to go hardcore off-roading. It will off-road and it will do a phenomenal job, but keep in mind, we're not building this vehicle to go out west and wheel in hardcore. This is for an everyday driver that maybe likes to go ride on the weekends, or just likes a spirited, nice vehicle that looks killer, that has better ride comfort and increased off-road capabilities. So just know that we know what we're doing. Don't be hating on us because we're not throwing Divers and full custom builds that just give even more capability. We're building these Raptors for the people that are looking for the best of all occasions, improve on the looks, improve on some performance aspects, and just give you a great looking vehicle for your everyday enjoyment. So that's what we got here with this one. We're not on 37s like we like to run, but we just felt like this was the perfect setup and balance for such a custom vehicle of this magnitude. So hope you guys have enjoyed this, and I am in love with this vehicle. I thought that the candy red and the black one stole my heart, but this one back here, y'all, is so incredible. Now also keep this in mind, we didn't necessarily have this as on the forefront for this vehicle, but it also is a thin blue line addition, so to speak, because we definitely love and support our military, local law enforcement, firefighters, anyone that's involved that helps protect us. You know, this vehicle's for you guys. So keep that in mind, that we appreciate all the things that goes behind the scenes to keep us safe on an everyday basis, regardless of what's going on in the world right now. We appreciate the ones that serve and protect us, that sacrifice so much for us to do what we love to do every day, which is build beautiful custom trucks. And this one's for sale. Look at that sky right here at Akins. Why Willies made it happen. Our guys up at the shop right there do such a great job, and we're so thankful for them, from our painters to everybody that's involved with this vehicle. Thanks so much, y'all. We appreciate all the support watching our videos. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification, because we got a lot coming to you this year. So we want you to stay in tune with it and kick back and not worry about anything except enjoying good looking vehicles and listening to my country slang I apologize for. So guys, thanks so much, and gals, have a great day.